BPDU Guard is a function that prevents the switch from accidentally connecting to the port with the PortFast feature enabled. When enabled, BPDU Guard function prevents the switches from forming a rouge ring in network, thus protecting the configured running of loops in the network. This video will teach you how to quickly enable the BPDU Guard function of the switch. First, let's set up a simulation connecting two Ethernet switches and a computer via network cables. We have a computer with IP address 192.168.10.5, network switch 1 with IP address 192.168.10.1, and network switch 2 with IP address 192.168.10.2. Ensure that the IP address of the computer and the switches are in the same network segment. On the computer, open the Internet browser and enter the IP address of switch 2, 192.168.10.2, in the search bar. After entering the login screen, enter the username and password, and then click Login. On the web portal of the switch, to find out if the RSTP function is enabled, click on the redundancy option and look next to the word STP mode. Generally it is enabled by default. Now, to configure the BPDU Guard, first, select the RSTP port settings option under the RSTP settings option drop-down. In this interface, in order to prevent the formation of a rogue ring, we will turn on the BPDU Guard function on all ports except the ports connected to other network devices. To enable the BPDU Guard, simply select Enable from the drop-down under BPDU Guard for each port that needs to be protected, and then click Submit. The BPDU Guard function is now successfully configured. To verify, now let's do an experiment. Make a new connection between switch 1 and switch 2 using an RJ45 patch cable at the port 5 on both ends. Now, enter the web interface of switch 2 again and see that port 5 on the left is red, which means it is disabled, which indicates that the BPDU Guard function configuration was a success. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please subscribe.